You love art and buy paintings and sculptures. One day you sell one or more works of art from your collection. You make a profit. Do you have to pay tax on this? Is it tax-free capital gain or taxable income from a lucrative sideline? The crucial question is, am I collecting art or do I deal in art? Find out more in this video. My name is Tamara Frener. I am an independent attorney at law in the canton of Zurich, Switzerland. If this video appeals to you, please like and forward it. All income is generally subject to income tax. By way of exception, gains from the sale of private assets are tax-free. All income from a commercial business and from any other self-employed activity is taxable. Capital gains from the sale of business assets count as income from self-employment. You are now wondering, when is self-employment assumed? Is it a gainful activity that goes beyond the simple, straightforward management of private assets? The circumstances of the individual case must be taken into account. There is no legal definition. According to court practice, there is a list of indications, such as work and capital are used. The organization is freely chosen. A person works at one's own risk. One participates in economic transactions in a sustained, planned, and outwardly visible manner with the intention of making a profit. When are you regarded as an art merchant? You may be considered an art dealer if you proceed in a planned manner. Transactions are frequent. The period of ownership is short. The transactions are financed with third-party funds. There is special expertise available, and the profits are invested in similar assets. Each of these indications alone can also lead to the assumption of self-employment. Various circumstances, such as a long holding period, a low number of transactions, lack of reinvestment, and no use of significant third-party funds, may argue against the self-employment. If the art collector is purely a hobby with no intention of making a profit, any sale of the collection may be assumed to be a tax-free private capital gain. However, commercial activity may be assumed if a painting is stored in a duty-free warehouse and then sold abroad. If, on the other hand, an art object is not insured from the outset, this may argue against the profit-seeking motive. Depending on the assessment of all circumstances of the individual case, you may be considered an art collector pursuing a purely hobby activity without the intention of making a profit, or an art merchant with the corresponding tax consequences. I look forward to supporting you in fulfilling your personal love wishes and the peaceful distribution of your assets. Contact me for a consultation. And please follow me on social media, be it LinkedIn, Facebook, or YouTube.